हेलो how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं ऐश्वर्या मोहन राज की स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी रूटीन. उसका नाम है My Pregnancy Test. Our first exposure to her was through Tanmay Bhatt and his video. She seems like a really funny fellow. Let's go and check it out.
She was just like, Ashu, have you had sex? And I was like, Chhi. How you safe? मम्मी हो यार, मम्मी की तरह बात करो ना. Have you had sex? Ask, have you had lunch?
Did you eat your fruits today? Ask something like that. Not what fruit flavored.
Did you guys know that there are 134 airports in this country? Dude, Jabalpur has an airport. You know, Jabalpur mein there's no arrival, only departure.
What?
Another fun fact, Delhi has an airport, पर वहाँ air नहीं है.
Ouch. That's a good dig on Delhi.
Another fun fact,
The air pollution.
Chennai has two airports. One is called the Chennai airport, the other is called Bangalore airport.
Was it the same thing? Or are Chennai?
Now let's talk about
Like what's with that joke? I don't get it. Like are Chennaians just going to Bangalore because they don't like Chennai airport? Like I kind of missed that one. I don't know.
Bombay airport. Inside the Bombay airport, Mumbai airport, there is this huge hoarding of a pregnant Kareena Kapoor holding Prega News. Yeah. And every time I see it, I'm just like, who the fuck is coming to airports and taking pregnancy tests? Huh? ये कौन सा इंसान है who's going like 2 घंटे है.
Let's do a pregnancy test.
सुसु भी आ रही है.
Might as well do it. Yeah.
हाँ? तो क्या करे?
Her face, man.
बैठे बैठे क्या करे? करना है कुछ काम, लेते हैं प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट, फिर सोचेंगे बच्चे का नाम.
Good job. Bro, her face is so familiar. Why is her face so familiar? ऐसा लगता है इसको देखा है कहीं. ऐसा लगता है like you've seen her work before somewhere. You know what I mean? Her face is so familiar. And then second, her expressions जीत जाते हैं bro. उसके expressions बहुत आला है. Like her facial expressions kind of tell the joke for her sometimes. Like that's the main punchline. Her reaction to the whatever the story she's telling you.
Manjunath.
Manjunath.
You know what the tagline for Prega News is? No effort only these people have put it. Prega News ... means good news.
Yeah. Yeah.
Full stop. There's no but, only if, अगर कुछ चाहिए तो, nothing.
चाहिए तो.
Prega News means good news. I just have one question. है ना? Kareena ma'am. When I take this test, will you convince my mother कि Prega News means good news? Gym class के बाद आप आओगे? Now you must be
Gym
wondering,
class,
how does
कभी
Aishwarya know
खुशी,
so
कभी
much
गम.
about pregnancy tests, huh? God gift.
God gift बोल दिया. चूतिया बना रही है
Born with this
सबको.
knowledge, The thing is, my mom found my pregnancy test. Apparently, my mom was looking in my bag for the eyeliner, okay? She found the eye can. So who's naming these pregnancy tests, yaar?
I can.
I can. I know I can. इसलिए तो test ले रही हूँ यार. I don't need motivation at this point, you know. Bullshit. Oh. So the thing is, I was sitting in the hall, okay, and my mom walks in with this test in her hand.
Yeah. That was that moment.
She's like, Ashu, what is this? So my instinct was to tell her, science experiment.
Drugs. Science experiment.
Aim to study if virgins can get pregnant.
Wow. I
क्योंकि
hope
मैं
that
हूँ
worked.
यार मम्मी. I mean, मैं हूँ यार virgin, कॉमा मम्मी. So I just pretended like it's a completely normal thing to have in your bag. हाँ तो pregnancy it's like जीरा गोली यार.
जीरा गोली.
Everyone has it.
हाजमोला जीरा गोली.
पैक के
हाजमोला.
साथ फ्री मिलता है यार मम्मी. हाँ पीरियड हुए तो ये यूज करना, ना हुए तो ये यूज करना.
Wow. Good joke. जो बात है ना हुए तो ये यूज
But like I
करना.
said, my mom is not an idiot. So I had to give her a valid reason. I was just like, oh, that pregnancy test. Yeah, I got it for a friend. She was like, Acha? Who friend? I was like, Ma, please, there are some ethics and morals to friendship. है ना? That I can't break like that.
Bro, guys don't even give a shit. So obviously guys don't get in this trouble with their moms or their dads about getting pregnant, not as much as girls, but guys get in trouble for other shit like, you know, bringing drugs home or having cigarettes or having some alcohol or something, and you get caught with that shit, right? Porno ho gaya, ye ho gaya. You always throw your friend under the bus. That's rule number 1 जो इसने भी follow किया कि हाँ मेरे दोस्त की है, मेरी ये माल ये तो दोस्त का है. But we never ever, you know, save them कि नहीं मैं नहीं बता सकता कौन सा दोस्त है. हम साफ बताते हैं उसकी है. अहमद ने दी थी. अहमद मुझे तो पता भी नहीं क्या है. अहमद ने बोला अपनी जेब में रख लो, मैंने जेब में रख ली, सॉरी. तो guys do not care. Guys do not care about the ethics of the friendship. We just fucking throw our buddies under the bus, especially with our parents.
I'm a true loyal friend and also I can't just... Prashasti.
There you go. So there is no difference. Good job.
It's Prashasti's test.
फजूल का लेक्चर दे दिया मैंने.
Then she's like, okay. What is Prashasti's test doing in your bag? I was like, firstly, Ma, good question. And secondly, Prashasti की mom थोड़ी strict type से है. तो मैंने सोचा मैं अपने बैग में रख लेती हूँ.
Because you're so
अच्छा,
cool.
प्रशस्ति के बाद strict और मैं टेलीटबी. हाँ? मैंने कब बोला है कि प्रेग्नेंट हो के आना वरना घर मत आना? मैंने कभी बोला है ये? And then she jumped straight, no warning, nothing. She was just like, Ashu, have you had sex? And I was like, Chi. How you say?
How you?
मम्मी हो यार. मम्मी की तरह बात करो ना. Have you had sex? Ask, have you had lunch? The thing is, she caught me off guard, so I was like, yes. But then I saw her face and I was like, once.
What is up with that finger, bro?
Now the thing is,
Whoa, that's a hidden talent that she has not shown anybody. I think जो हमने अभी note कर लिया. That finger is more tilted than my entire fucking career, bro. What the fuck?
my mom has had sex. I mean, I'm standing here.
Yeah, duh.
And everyone who has had sex knows that you can't just have it once. यार पहली बार में तो पता ही नहीं चलता
Oh shit.
हुआ है कि नहीं, अंदर गया था कि नहीं. Is 30 seconds enough?
Oh shit. Oh my god, bro.
You don't know. You have to do it the second time, na?
Yeah.
Now you're like, oh, done. No longer a virgin. Yes.
Yeah.
You have to do it the second time. Then you do the second time and you're like, second time हो गया तो third कर ही ना तो यार.
You see that?
Let's just do it, yeah. Then fourth time there's actually an orgasm. अब यार orgasm हो गया. Then eighth time even the girl gets an orgasm.
I mean, womanhood explodes a little. While men say, hey, we also fake, okay? Okay, so yes, it's true. Guys also fake it sometimes. I've done it before, not gonna lie. Point being, she is absolutely on point. अगर आप एक लड़का हैं और आपको लग रहा है कि ये joke है, this is not a joke. That's exactly how it goes. You have to keep trying, bro. You don't even know. You think it's done, but it's not done, bro. There's more to go. There's way more to go.
And then you're like, oh God, God loves me. Now I can't sit and explain all of this to my mother, no? So I'm just like calming my mom down, okay? And then she's like, Ashu, if you wanted to have sex, why don't you just get married? married. That's not. Then she was like, then don't have sex.
No.
अरे अब तो चस्का लग गया.
That's the worst thing you can say to your
Like,
mom.
Ma, please, come on. Let's be realistic here. I don't want to lie to you and stuff. So she also is trying to come to a, like, you know, understanding. So she's like, okay, fine, then Ashru, promise me that you'll have sex only when you're in love.
Bro, she even only when you're in love. ये जो आया ना उसके बाद, I'm sorry it was too loud. उससे रहा नहीं, ये खुद जोक सुनाते हैं. She's like, yeah, right.
How do I tell her, यार?
How do I tell her?
लव तो मुझे ऐसे हो जाता है. That's when my tongue guys give me.
This is not the truth. A lot of it was true.
So the thing is, I'm recording this set, okay?
Oh, what's coming up? Okay.
And मम्मी को तो of course ये story पता है. But Papa has no idea. So Papa, hi. I just want to say one thing. This is Prashasthi's story.
First of all, Fazul का sexist lecture देना शुरू हो गया. मैं कि guys don't do that. I think only girls do that. I need to stop doing that. Second, बहुत आला यार. See, there's a big complaint about female comedians out there कि all they talk about is their vagina and then their, you know, sex and this and that. And yes, a lot of them do talk about sex. You know why? क्योंकि उनकी जिंदगी को हमने surround sex से किया हुआ. It's not entirely their fault. It's a lot of it is our fault. Society, guys, men. क्योंकि when we talk about women, all we think about is sex. हर reference हमारा जो औरत के बारे में होता है वो sex से related होता है. जंगें लड़ी जा चुकी हैं sex के लिए. So ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है कि अब जब ऐसा होता है, they're brought up like that. They're whenever they look around themselves, that's all they see. Other girls talking about the same thing, guys talking about the same thing. So that's what becomes, you know, center of their universe sometimes. And that might be a little gender specific, but it is true. Like लड़कियों को sex इतना ज़्यादा उनके दिमाग पे सवार कर दिया जाता है शुरू से कि, you know, beware, be careful. ये नहीं दिखना चाहिए, वो नहीं दिखना चाहिए, ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनो, वैसे कपड़े नहीं पहनो, इस तरह बात नहीं करना किसी लड़के से. ये सारी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस अगर बॉयज पे लगाए जाएं तो हम तो पागल हो जाएं ब्रो, राइट? और बहुत सारी लगती भी हैं, बट देयर इज अ लॉट दैट वी डोंट हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज़ वी आर गाइज एंड दे आर वुमेन. सो आई थिंक saying that that's all they do is a little unfair, but yes, a lot of their life does involve being, you know, objectified or sexualized, so they have to joke about it. It's part of their life, so I don't see any problem with that. When it comes to the body language and how a stand-up comedian is supposed to behave on stage, she has completely learned the art. इसकी art जो है वो एकदम finesse हो चुकी है. She carries herself so well on the stage कि आप you can't help but be impressed, right? Her facial expressions जीत जाते हैं, मैं पहले ही बोल चुका हूँ. And then her delivery is so pre-planned. It feels so unpracticed, but it is super fucking finessed. Like बहुत to the dot इसके दिमाग में ऐसा लगता है at least. I don't know, I might be wrong. Maybe she's just winging the whole thing. I don't know. But it feels like she knows her shit. Like she knows her stuff. A lot of experience, I'm guessing. Maybe, I don't know. Her expressions, man. Again, I cannot stop talking about her expressions क्योंकि हर joke, हर line के बाद उसका expression change होता है और support करता है joke को या line को जो भी ये बोल रही है. Brilliant stuff यार. Like look at this stuff right here.
But only if अगर कुछ चाहिए तो nothing.
Her face wins, man. And this joke was also pretty good. At that time, I really didn't get it. But it's a very good commentary on how the patriarchal society works, you know, in our society. हमारी society में, इंडिया में, पाकिस्तान में अगर pregnancy test का billboard लगेगा, तो they will make sure कि उसमें ये कहीं भी hint ना हो कि इसमें sexual freedom allowed है कहीं पे. It's just good news. That's it. Preg news is good news. No other, you know, junction there. कुछ और add नहीं हो रहा है वहाँ पे. There's no, I don't know if it's called a junction, but there's no preg news is good news if you wanted the baby or if it was not a rape baby. You know, shit like that. Good joke. Very good joke. My favorite joke, obviously the one that she put in the start also, where her mom goes, Ashu, have you had sex? She was... this is such a brilliant delivery, man. ये joke ऐसे हैं कि आप copy नहीं कर सकते, you know? She has to be her for that joke to work. It has to be her, like it has to be the way she did it. Brilliant stuff, यार. बहुत आला. ऐश्वर्या मोहन राज जीत गई लड़की. बहुत आला. Brilliant stuff. Thank you so much, guys, for requesting this particular stand-up routine. I know she's one more stand-up routine that's pretty high in my request, at least. मेरे request comment section में उसका नाम बहुत आ रहा है. It's oh, this was it. Sorry. Yeah, my pregnancy test. Okay, we will check out our other stand-up comedy routine called My First Relationship. If you want me to check out the other one, make sure this video gets 35 likes. 35 likes. Please make sure we get 35 likes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. I love you all. Shabba khair.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call